So this is it guys, my first video on my brand new YouTube channel. Some of you guys may already know me from another hobby with also fish, but let me introduce myself quite shortly. My name is Ivo and I have just recently introduced to this amazing hobby that you can see here on the background. So before we start, I need to thank quite some people who helped me out in the first couple of weeks. First of all, Danny's Aquarium, another YouTuber, and I will put a link in the corner right here to his channel. Thank you, Danny, for helping me out with all your advice and help. Second of all, I need to thank some other people, like Patrick from Giesemann. Thank you so much for supplying me this amazing light. It is absolutely wonderful, and of course I will explain much more of his products in this video and of course also in future videos. And last but not least, I want to thank a small shop in the Netherlands who is getting quite big right now. Thank you so much, Aquarium Design Shop, for helping me out with this amazing aquarium. So this is the first time in a brand new hobby and a brand new area for me. So guys, I'm not an expert. I will make probably a lot of mistakes. I will probably do also things on my own way. But if you have any tips or advice, please let me know in the comments. What I will do, guys, I will show you everything of my tank from start till the end when I start placing the first corals and maybe even some small fishes or other animals. Besides that, I will do some future visitings at some other people with amazing tanks. This is my journey. I want to learn from you guys. I want to learn from other people. So if you have any tips again, please let me know them in the comments. So let's get started with the first video. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, click on the bell notification. And guys, I hope to see you soon with the next video. And I hope to see some corals soon also in this tank. So what is going on, guys, and welcome back to the first update video here on my channel. Quite some things happened in the last couple of weeks. We're about 15 days in now. And I already placed some corals in my tank. I will explain everything, but before we start, I want to thank you guys because we're almost at 100 subscribers, and that's amazing after the first video. So if you're not subscribed to the channel and you're watching this video, I would be very pleased if you click on that subscribe button and also that bell notification. So things have changed. My first plan initially was to do a first cycle for 4 to 6 weeks and even maybe longer if it was necessary. But things have changed. I took some water off my aquarium and I went to the shop manager of the nearby aquarium shop here in my area. And we found out that all the water levels and even the salt water level were pretty good. So I decided to buy 2 small corals and 2 small crabs and even a sea star to put some life in the tank and see if it will stay alive and stay healthy, because that is the most important thing. I will show you everything in this video. If you liked it, please let me know in the comments. If you had feedback or any tips, also let me know in the comments and put the thumbs up so we can spread the word and also our videos to a new audience, and I hope to grow this channel as big as possible. It is already the third episode here on my brand new channel. We're heading to 200 subscribers, guys, and thank you so much for all the nice comments and all the feedback. Some of you know that this is my first saltwater tank. I am happy to learn from you guys. And yes, also this week I made some mistakes. I will explain a little bit more about that later on in the video. In the end, everything ended up well, so I'm happy that I've made the mistakes and I learned about it. So maybe you can see on the background some difference than in the previous video. I've made some changes and of course I bought some stuff. Yesterday I went to a very nice but also very big coral store and fish store here in the southern part of the Netherlands. It was quite fun. I took my son with me. I filmed some parts of it. I will say, guys, enjoy watching. If you're not subscribed, I'm not gonna ask you how to do it. You all guys know how to subscribe to a channel. But if you can push on the like button and maybe even leave some feedback or comments in the comment section, then I'm very happy to read them.